NDT service companies must execute technical and complex non-destructive inspection services to ensure high-value asset integrity. Executing preventative maintenance of all critical assets is necessary to avoid failure and potential hazardous outcomes. Inspection companies are challenged with delivering complete, accurate, and timely inspection reports using a variety of test methodologies. The service company must ensure the tests are performed by a certified technician while adhering to strict test regulations. Paper forms, spreadsheets, email documents, and other manual processes are time-consuming, inefficient, and prone to errors. Expensive technicians often spend more time doing paperwork than they do executing inspections. The Floodlight software new and innovative inspection management platform is a flexible, easy to use, and affordable solution for NDT inspection services companies. With Floodlight, you can generate proposals, turn that proposal into a work order, assign trucks, equipment, technicians, and consumable materials directly to each job. You can dispatch that job to the technician's mobile device, digitally enabling them to perform their work quickly and easily without errors. To find out more about how Floodlight software can help your business, contact us today.